Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video is going to be really quick. I'm showing you guys how I got these really cute simple cornrows, just straight back. And this is just a cute little Christmas look that you can do really quick, that you can do in all of an hour. So I done a really simple face as well as these jumbo simple straight back cornrows that look so good, so easy. So I'm going to show you guys how I got these really sleek, like I went to a salon. Alright guys, so keep on watching. But before you do, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. Because look at these braids, honey. They look good. Alright guys, see you. Okay guys, so really quick, I want to show you how my hair was looking after I took out my braids and been wearing this high puff. So my ends look really dusty, and granted they need to be clipped. But I want to show you how well moisturized the actual strands of my hair is from going from previous styles. So be sure to purchase my hair cream so that your hair can stay moisturized throughout your styles as well. So I'm starting off on stretched hair. Y'all, I'm sick. I have a cold. Well, catching a cold. Alright, ouch. Tripping. Alright, you guys know I'm going to go ahead and use some of my handmade hair cream. It looks like this. So, rub that in my hand so it gets oily like this. And then I'm just going to put it on my hair for my ends. So email me BeautyWithTy89@gmail.com, or I have an Etsy shop. Just click the link down below to go to my Etsy shop, and then you can purchase from there without emailing me back and forth. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 5 braids. I just want jumbo, sleek, straight back cornrows. So I'm going to pre-section my hair for my cornrows to make it easier for me. And then I will go ahead and braid it. So that's all I'm doing now, is I'm just going to literally fumble with my parts forever until I get them straight. I know I want 5 and I want a middle braid. Well, of course, to get 5. And I do have a video on how I do 4 sleek cornrows, and I have one how I do 6. And this one is 5. So I'll leave the other 2 down below. I use pretty much 2 different methods. My hair is different lengths at all 3 times. Okay, so it kind of look like it's off center, but this is as good as it's gonna get. You know, I mean, get your parts straight as much as you can. Like, I like time. You need to have all your braids the same size. You need to come do it. Sorry. Alright, so I got that, and now I'm just gonna put 2 on the side of that, because I want them jumbo. And these I'm just really braiding, however, just cold. Ugh. Okay y'all, this is the hair that I'm using. It looks like this. It's this braiding hair. Has little blonde tips. I'm using it because I have way too much hair in my closet that I need to go through and use. So I'm just going to do regular braids, and then when I get down to the bottom, I'm going to feed in like 2 pieces of hair. It's going to be really thick so that they'll be long. That's what I'm doing. My hair is shedding, so I know I need to do another green tea mask or that rice water. I'm going to be doing that probably next week. Alright, starting off with some cream so you can make sure our styles stay moisturized. Do I want baby hair? Maybe not this middle braid. Middle braid I'm just going to have going straight back. Okay, so this time I'm just going to be using Gorilla Snot. Whoa. No, my hair fell. Y'all, first of all, I had to force myself to do this video. So I'm already slightly kinda wasn't in a mood. And now my hair just fell on the floor. Okay, I'm going to be using this Gorilla Snot around the base, like the perimeter of my braids, I guess you could say. I'm using a lot. So, using a generous amount all the way back. Not really putting it on my ends, just putting it on the root of my hair here. Brush it. Alright, so now I'm back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my pieces. I have 3, and this is the size of the first one. Not too small. Alright, this is the second piece. This is the third piece, a really thick, chunky piece. Alright, so this one I pulled out my edges. We gonna fix these bad boys. I know they looking like taco meat right now, but honey. Alright, so what I did was just did like this to pull out a little bit of it. And then again, add some more of my hair cream. Put that on my ends. And then I'm going in with my Gorilla Snorts. That much. Like that. And then on my hair. And then get my braided hair. Go ahead and do my sections 1, 2, 3. And on the last one that's really big, I split it so I can have my braids a little longer. So I split it in half and then just drag it to make it a little longer than the other ones. And this hair is already already feathered out at the end. Not kinda, but it really is. So you don't have to worry about teasing the hair to get it thin at the ends because it's already thin. Alright, so I look like it's turning white, does it? But it's not. Just a little bit of stuff right here. Probably because my hair is dirty, y'all. I have not washed it. I did that braid style, took it out and put my hair in that hot puff. So it's dirty. Definitely wash your hair for the best results. Alright, so starting with the braiding hair. Small, put it right underneath there. Medium. Big Daddy! So once I get kind of here, I'll take it and put it on the top of my head so that I can braid faster. Alright. Ew. Alright guys, I'm on my last one. This one is like looking raggedy. Alright guys, I'm on my last one. As you can see, I have these other 4 done. No, you haven't done the edges yet. I need to clip my ends so bad. I'm gonna clip them when I do this little twist out next week. I'm gonna do a twist out. I know y'all like, Ty, don't even tell us nothing else you're doing until you do it. We will believe it when we see it. Cause honey, I'm like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do, don't do nothing. Alright, take a little bit of this out. Get my snot. Y'all know I got my 2 little dreads right here. I put a little clip on it so I won't pull them into my braid, as well as kind of retwist it a little bit. I'm going to use this, the I Am Blessed Superior Edge Control on my edges. Then I'm going on top with some Gorilla Snot. Alright, so now I'm going in with my wrap strip. Got them from the hair store, like $2 for 100. They call wrap strips. I'll be back in 5. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and did my makeup. It looked like my lashes are like ready to fly right off of my face. No lie. Okay. So, went ahead and did my makeup, so it's been about maybe 20 minutes, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off. Ooh, She cute. Ew. Look at that. They're so long. They're really long. Ew. I'm tired of sneezing. Alright, my braids. Super duper cute. Super duper long.